Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. For one of my last paintings, someone had asked me in the comments whether it was only possible to use the Amsterdam titanium white with the Amsterdam pouring medium as the cell activator. I imagine that that is not the case, but I decided that I was going to do a test. So I'm trying it out with 3 different colors here on 24 by 30 centimeter basic canvases from Gerstaecker. Just putting on the base coat here, or pillow paint if you will. And I will not bore you with this, so I'm just cutting through to where I've spread it all over the canvases, and then I'll be putting on the colors. The colors will be mentioned in the description below, and I'll also put up each color when I start pouring it on the canvases here. I won't bore you with talk today, so I'm just going to play some music, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I'll be back at the end of the pouring. Okay? Enjoy. So here are the wet results. One thing for certain, yes, you can use other colors as your cell activator, and it doesn't have to be Amsterdam. I was a little surprised to see that the pebe iridescent blue-black did not react as much as the other two. Maybe the Amsterdam do have another thing in them that actually makes them react more with the pouring medium. I don't know, but all three still came out pretty cool, I think. And you will see I'm posting the dry results right after this. And yeah, before I go, I'll just thank you again for joining me. I would ask you kindly, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do, and also please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And with that said, I just want to wish you a great day and see you next time. Bye.